Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about tan a squared equals to secant of a squared minus 1. So I will change about this one into about this one. And we have about secant of s over 2 square minus 1. So this one plus this one, you got about number 2. The integration of 2 with secant of s square over 2, you got about 4 tan of s over 2. Because we have coefficient of 1 over 2, if we do this integration, we need to divide by 1 over 1 over 2. That's why you got about number 2. Number 2 with number 2, you got about 4. And about 1, you got about s. And now I will put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now we put b over 2 going here. Number 0 going here. This one we calculate and you got about 4 minus b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.